Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to see about how to implement one-to-one relationship using foreign key. I am opening the same project which we used in last session. Yes. In last session, we created students model and departments model. Now we are going to create one more model, students address inside model folder. We are going to add few properties. These properties are enough for our sample project. Now here one-to-one relationship comes to picture. How each student have one address. So we are going to add student inside student address and student address inside student. So first we are going to add student inside student address. Now we are going to add student address inside student. As this is one-to-one relationship, we are not going to use list. In previous session, we used list of student, collection of student, right? That is one-to-many relationship. But now we are seeing one-to-one relationship, so we are not going to use list or collection. Okay, now one-to-one relationship implemented by using a student address inside student and a student inside student address. Now we need to implement the foreign key. Where we need to implement the foreign key? We need to implement the foreign key inside student address. In last lesson we see how to annotate data annotation for the foreign key. So we are going to data annotate for the foreign key. We are going to use this student class as a foreign key in the student address. That foreign key column name is student ID in this student address table. Okay, we have implemented. Now we are going to run the migration commands which we already used in last two sessions. We are going to use the same migration commands. For that I am going to build my solution. You already know about how to run that migration script. So I'm going to open package manager console. First, add migration. The description may be anything. I'm going to provide us one to one. So inside the migration folder, that one to one class is created. Here are primary key setters, department ID. So this one is this one. I'm going to the student address. Yeah, say the student address. Student's address ID is implemented as a student primary key, and also student ID inside the students table. It it mapped as foreign key for this table. So now we are going to execute second command to migrate this to our database. That is update database. Okay. Now, yeah, we will open the SQL server. I'm going to refresh this database tables. Right, I am seeing the student address. I'm opening this table. I'm opening students table as well. Inside the students table, there is no change regarding the student address, but inside student address table, we are adding foreign key, which uses the table students and ID, column ID from the students table. So we have implemented one-to-one relationship. In this session, we have seen about one-to-one relationship. In next session, we will see about many-to-many relationship. Thanks for